Welcome. Hey developers, have you ever written long loops and thought there must be a better way? Well, today we are diving into two powerful JavaScript functions that will save you time and make your code look smarter. Filter and map. By the end of this video, you will use them like a pro. So, what is filter? Filter is a method that allows you to create a new array with the only elements that meet a specific condition. The rest are ignored. So let's see an example. Filter is like a job interview. Only the qualified candidates like elements make it through and the rest get politely rejected. So imagine you have a list of numbers and you only want to keep the even ones. Instead of manually checking each one, filter does the job effortlessly. So example is const numbers. So here 10 numbers. Next, this we are applying filter on numbers. So we are consoling the result. So this is the result 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So simple. So here each number goes through filter and only the ones divisible by 2 make it to the final list. It's like picking only the VIP guest for a coding party. So odd numbers, you are out. Better luck next time. So let's take another real world example. Okay, we have products array. So we have this is the products array and we'll filter it now. Font, products. Products dot we are applying filter on products. Filter product in stock. So here we are getting product in stock. So we will console the result. Yes. So here this is the result. Now it's running. So laptop and tablet. Here filtering products that are in stock on an e-commerce website. Suppose like an online store hiding out of stock items automatically. So here only products in stock means that are true makes to the final list. It's like an online store hiding out of stock items automatically. This is an real world example. Okay, is it clear? So now let's move to the map. So map is a method that creates a new array by applying a function to each element of an existing array. Like it's like a chef, it takes raw ingredients, that is array of elements, transforms them and serves a delicious dish. that is new array. Did you like it? So let's have an example. You have list of student scores and you want to add 5 bonus points to each. Instead of using a loop, just map it. Let's see an example. Cons scores 50, 58. Okay, sufficient. Boosted scores. So we will apply map on the scores. That's fine. So we will console it to check the result. Yeah. Boosted scores. So these are the result: 55, 50 to 55, 60 to 65, 70 to 75, 80 to 85. Okay. So here each score gets 5 extra points, creating a new array with updated scores. It's like a teacher being extra generous with giving extra marks. Okay. Who wouldn't love a free 5 marks? Even my test scores need this function. Okay. Let's move to another real world example. Converting an array of prices from USD to INR. Suppose let's take const price in USD 30, 40, 50. Price in INR. So let's apply map to it. Price tends to, what is the current price? I think 83, 83 or 84. Okay, let's take 83. Let's console it. So here each price is converted using the exchange rate. I think it's 83. Creating a new array in INR. So it's 830. Okay. Oh, it's very high. It's. I think it's time to go for shopping. Okay. So I think you have clearly understood the filter and map functions. So now let's see them work together. Suppose you have a like combining filter and map. So now let's see them work together. Suppose you have a list of books and you only want the titles of books with a rating above 4. So here we are combining filter and map functions. So take the array books. Okay. So here are the books. So we will find the top rated books. Top rated books. We will apply first filter to get the books greater than rating greater than 4. Books filter map, we will map to get the book title. So now console the result. Okay, we got book B and book C. So first filter removes the low rated books. Then map extracts only their titles. Now we have got uh, book B and book C greater than rating 4 and their titles. Okay, this is the combined example of the map and the filter. So here bad books got filtered out just like my diet filters out healthy food. Just joke. Okay. So we have learned a combination example also. Here is a quick tip. Map and filter create new arrays. So avoid unnecessary use on large data sets. If performance matter, consider a simple loop instead, like for each loop, like that. Yes, sometimes an old school like for loop is the fastest way to get out things done. Okay, I think you have clearly understood the functioning of filter, map, and their combined examples of filter and map. That's it. You know the filter and map inside out. You enjoyed these. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more JavaScript concepts with ease, and comment below the doubts if you have and concepts that I should teach you in the next session. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.